Reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving deep into the world of luxury touring motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited. This iconic American cruiser has been setting the standard for touring motorcycles for decades, and the latest model is no exception. Background and description. The Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a Milwaukee 8 engine, delivering a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The Ultra Limited's engine provides ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Advanced electronics, features like cruise control, ABS, and a premium audio system enhance the riding experience. Comfortable ergonomics. The relaxed riding position, plush seat, and adjustable windscreen make for long-distance comfort. Spacious storage, ample storage space in the saddlebags and trunk for long journeys. Luxurious features, heated grips, heated seats, and a premium audio system enhance the riding experience. Design and aesthetics. The Ultra Limited embodies classic American cruiser styling, with a sleek and aerodynamic design. Its chrome accents and bold lines give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The Ultra Limited is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring motorcycle. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The Ultra Limited has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The Ultra Limited is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular touring motorcycles, the Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited stands out for its iconic American design and premium features. Its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced technology make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The Harley-Davidson Ultra Limited is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, powerful engine, and iconic design make it a perfect choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring motorcycle, the Ultra Limited is definitely worth considering.